Have you ever shared a tour link with a traveler, only to find out later that the link no longer works? This usually happens when something you change also updates the page URL. For example, you might rename a tour, update the tour year, remove a seasonal offer, or reorganize your website. When the link changes, old links can still exist on Google, Facebook, or WhatsApp. So when someone clicks one of those links, they land on a broken page, and that often leads to lost bookings. But here's the good news. One of the big advantages of Tripcart is its built-in redirection tool. When redirection is enabled, visitors are automatically sent from the old tour link to the correct new tour page. They stay on your website and continue their booking journey without interruption. In this video, I'll walk you through how redirection works and how to set it up manually, so you never miss a booking because of a bad link. Let's jump into your dashboard. From the left menu, click Apps, then head over to Tools. This page lists several handy tools designed to keep your website running smoothly, for which you can find more tutorials on our channel. Find the tool labeled Redirection. You'll notice a small switch beside it. Toggle that switch on to enable redirection. Once redirection is enabled, click on the Configure button. This is where you can set up redirections manually, but before doing that, let me show you how Tripcart automatically handles redirection when a tour link changes. Before we go further, here's something critical to know. Automatic redirection only works for changes you make after enabling this tool. If you've already updated tour links without turning on redirection, those old broken links won't automatically redirect. You'll need to set them up manually, which we'll cover in a moment. So if you're just getting started with Tripcart, enable redirection right away to protect all your future tour updates. Let me start by making a small change to an existing tour. Go to the Tours section. Before making any changes, I will open the current Venice tour link in a new tab for a quick preview. This is the old link, and you can see it is opening normally. Now go back to the dashboard and open the Venice tour. Update the tour name and the URL, then click Update. At this point, the tour link has changed. Next, go back to the tab with the old Venice tour link and open it again. As you can see, it does not land on a broken page. Instead, it automatically redirects to the updated Venice tour page. Now let's see why this worked. Go back to Tools and open Redirection. You can see that a redirection has already been created automatically. The old Venice tour link appears in the From field, and the updated Venice tour link appears in the To field. This means anyone opening the old link is automatically sent to the updated tour page. No manual setup was needed for this case. Automatic redirection covers many common cases, but sometimes you will want full control. For example, maybe you removed a tour completely and sent visitors from that tour to a different tour page. That is where manual redirection comes in. You'll see 3 fields here: From, To, and Redirection type. The From field is where you enter the old link, the full URL that visitors are still trying to open. For example, if your old Florence tour link was this, copy and paste that entire URL into the From field. Make sure to include the HTTPS part and your complete domain name. Next is the To field. This is where you enter the current link, the full URL where visitors should land. For our Florence tour example, if the new link is this, paste that complete URL into the To field. Now let's look at the redirection type dropdown. For tour pages, you'll almost always use 301 permanent redirect. This tells both visitors and search engines that your tour page has permanently moved to a new location. You'll notice that automatically created redirections are already set to 301 because when you update a tour URL in Tripcart, it's treated as a permanent change. This means the SEO value, the ranking power your old tour page built up over time, transfers to your new tour page. Without a proper redirect, Google would see your new page as completely separate, and you'd lose all that ranking history. So 301 redirects don't just fix broken links for visitors. They also protect your search engine visibility and help your tours stay discoverable on Google. The other options in the dropdown, like 302, 307, 303, and 308, are for specialized technical situations that rarely apply to tour pages. Unless you have a specific technical reason to use something else, stick with 301 Permanent Redirect. Once you've filled in the From and To fields and selected 301, click Add Redirection. From now on, if someone clicks the old Venice tour link from anywhere online, they are instantly taken to the updated tour page. Now that you have seen both automatic and manual redirection in action, let's look at how you manage everything in one place. Below the form, you'll see the All Redirections section. This is where every redirection is listed, including the ones created automatically and the ones you add manually. From here, you can review, edit, or delete redirections anytime. If you have many redirects, you can use the search box to quickly find a specific one. For example, you can search for Venice and manage only the related redirections. And if you ever make a mistake, there's nothing to worry about. If you accidentally try to create a redirect loop, Tripcart will show you a warning before saving, so you can fix it right away. Now, this works well when you have just a few redirects. But what if you renamed many tours at once, or reorganized your site, and a lot of links changed together? That's where bulk import comes in. At the top right, you'll see an Import in Bulk option. This feature works only with a CSV file. Click Import in Bulk and upload your CSV file. The file contains two main columns. One column is for the old links, and the other is for the new links. Using bulk import, you can add dozens or even hundreds of redirections in one go, instead of setting them up one by one. This makes it much easier to handle large updates on your tour website. And that's how you fix broken links using redirection in Tripcart. Once this is set up, visitors won't run into broken pages, and your bookings stay protected even when tour links change. Plus, you're preserving your hard-earned Google rankings every time you update a tour URL. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and keep watching.